As an HR and L&D head, are you looking for a highly engaging, interactive, immersive business simulation, leadership simulation experience for your teams? Then I'm very happy that at Simurize we are inviting you to experience a very powerful, profound business simulation called the Search for the Lost Dutchman's Gold Mine. This simulation has now been conducted in over 40 different countries with over 500,000 corporate professionals have experienced this program, and many Fortune 500 companies have used it for developing their team's values, behavior, mindsets, competencies across junior, across middle, across senior levels in the areas of collaboration, strategic thinking, risk management, decision making, growth mindset, trust on leadership, maximizing resources, and maximizing mindset. So this Friday, we're inviting you for a complimentary 3-hour workshop which will change the way you develop your team's values, behavior, mindsets, and competencies. I, Solomon Salvis, invite you to experience these programs, and then after that, once you experience it, you possibly could look at leveraging this simulation for your internal teams.